My name is Shephered Mudariki, and I work in the installation department as an installation technical supervisor. My job is to supervise about 15 teams that do those who do the installations and to do the follow-ups, especially on the new jobs when clients are having problems in operating them or they've got some technical issues. Immediately after installation, we go there to assist them to understand the system. I joined Shephered in 1987, at the end of 1987, and by that time I was working in the workshop. We were doing our assembling there. Then I moved on to car alarms a year later. Then I moved on to installations just after 2 years. I worked in installation for about 5 years. Then I was transferred to maintenance. I did maintenance for about 15 years. Then I moved back to installations as an installation supervisor. Because of the changing technology all the time, we have to keep on training, and it's quite an interesting journey. I think mostly it's the changing technology that we must always keep up with. Because initially when we started, we were doing these analog systems, the ones with the relays. Then we moved on to these digital panels, and we were the first one to try the technology in Zimbabwe. I think it was around in the early 90s when we started doing the digital panels. And now they've advanced, because most of the technology now is becoming wireless. I think the most interesting gadget is the wireless, because when we started doing wireless, we were doing with the American embassy. They were the first one to introduce a wireless system in this country. And I think we did quite well during that time, because it was way back and there were no other panels around. Mostly with the structures, with the buildings they are building these days, I think wireless is probably the way to go.